In the nationalized healthcare system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the doctors who investigate disease and the bureaucracy that prosecutes the patients. These are their stories.
Jesus, about time. I guess you could tell I'm healthy or I'd be dead weight for you guys. So are we done here?
Take it easy, Joey. We just have a few questions.
Yeah, well, I ain't got no answers.
You listen to me, scumbag. This ain't no walk-in clinic. Look around. You think we're playing games?
Hey, man, I got rights.
Oh, come on, Ray. Why don't you hold this punk down while I pour Crestor down his throat?
You can't do that. I ain't even had no blood work done.
Lenny, take it easy. Why don't you get some coffee, huh? Cool down, all right?
Yeah, you better talk some sense into this morning, Ray, or I swear to God, I'll come back.
I'll handle it. Sorry about my partner. He takes his job seriously.
You need to put a muzzle on that guy. He's a lunatic.
I'm gonna be straight with you, Joey. I don't want to put you in the hospital. But if you don't cooperate, we may not have a choice. Went over your test results from the last time you were here.
Hey, you can't put me in because of those tests. That's double jeopardy.
Look, Joey, you've been released from the hospital, what, 3 times? Lucky guy. But a 4th time. I gotta tell you, most guys go in a 4th time, they don't make it out.
So what's the deal, Ray? You managed to convince this punk what's in his best interest?
Yeah, I'm sure you bozos got my best interest in those compassionate hearts of yours.
You just wait till we get you admitted, Joey. You go on to the 6th floor. Cardiac ward. Yeah, all those hardened arteries, the lifers. They are gonna love a little princess like you.
Wait a minute, cardiac ward. No, you got the wrong guy. Maybe I got a little indigestion, but I ain't doing no cardiac stuff.
No? Word is you've been hanging out at the Lucky Lady in the back room. We know they've been dealing trans fats back there.
Funny thing about confidential informants, you pay them enough cash, they'll tell you whatever you want to hear.
What makes you think we got that from a CI, dirtbag? Maybe one of those kids at the counter finally ratted you out. Sooner or later, it was bound to happen.
Whatever. Maybe I should get a second opinion.
Whoa! Joey, hey. You can get a second opinion if you want, but if you bring your family doctor in, we can't talk to you. And any chance you had for working a deal is gone.
You guys are pathetic. If you had anything on me, I'd already be in the hospital.
Yeah? Well, if you're so squeaky clean, then you won't mind taking a little blood pressure test, will you?
Oh, no. No, I know how that works. You get a guy in here, you stress him out, get his blood pressure up, then you slap the cuff on him and get a bad read. I'm not falling for that.
Oh, come on, Joey, you're no better than that. It's documented fact your blood pressure oscillates throughout the day. You can't be admitted on the basis of one test.
Maybe not, but you can get probable cause, and that's all you need to start hounding me. I want my second opinion now.
Oh, you want a second opinion? Come here. How about I give you a second opinion with this rectal thermometer, huh?
Hey, can you do that?
Do what, Joey? I don't see him doing anything.
Okay, all right already.
Lenny.
Okay. Maybe I had some chest pains last week, but it was only a couple of times, I swear.
You didn't think to report that?
I thought it was reflux.
You thought it was reflux? You listen to me, you two-bit little punk! When I get through with you, you're gonna be strapped to a gurney with a needle in your arm!
Fat chance of you getting that far, Doctor. Mr. Torino is under federal jurisdiction now.
What do you want, Macron? This isn't a federal case. We checked his tax return. He opted out of FedCare.
Check again. 12 minutes before you arrived at his apartment, Mr. Torino applied for FedCare. Online.
I'd have done it sooner if the website ever worked.
We have had some problems with the website and we're working on it. But more importantly...
Wait a minute. 12 minutes? You were tipped off. Somebody told you we were coming. Who was it?
Nobody has to tip me off to nothing. I know how you guys work. Everybody in bed with the NSA. As soon as my wife brought home that antacid, I knew you guys would be coming around, making false accusations, coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction.
Yeah, it is what it is, Joey. You're sick. And you know what we do with sick people?
Yeah, you lock them up. What kind of society locks people up for being sick?
A healthy one, with affordable access to health care for everyone. Look, you can't do this. He was tipped off. He's scamming the system.
Be that as it may. As I was saying earlier, the website has had its problems. But more importantly, we have evidence of Mr. Torino trying to apply for FedCare Online 6 months ago when the database was down.
Yeah, see? I'm a model citizen.
And since the fault is on our end, we are covering Mr. Torino retroactively.
I don't believe this. When is the last time you guys got one right? You're gonna let this guy walk.
It is out of your hands, Doctor. Now, Joey, I just need you to choose a medical coverage plan from your list of options, and I would be happy to read you that list of options. Okay. A medical insurance. A medical insurance plus. A medical coverage.
Jesus, I'm gonna have a heart attack just listening to this.
If you do, you can come to my office.
Dr. Standish.
It's all right, Joey. Nancy called me. Don't say another word.
We're just having a friendly chat, Doc.
Are you admitting my client?
Not yet.
Then you can't hold him here.
Well, I'm afraid we can, Doctor. This is a federal case under the jurisdiction of FedCare.
Not anymore. You see, I'm Joey's physician of record, and my office still takes cash.
So you're one of those quacks that lets scumbags like Joey skirt the system through cash transactions.
I like to think I'm one of those quacks who provides affordable health care to my patients. It's funny how easy that is when you don't have a box full of regulations. Joey, do you have $60?
I got an ATM card.
Good enough. You're free to go. Meet me in my office in 30. Tell Nurse Crane I sent you.
Lenny, we gotta let him go.
Do I want to know how many of my clients' rights were violated before I got here?
Just doing our job, Doctor.
With the utmost zeal, of course. You'll be lucky if I don't talk to Internal Affairs about this.
You'll be lucky if I don't choke you with a box full of cotton swabs.
Lenny.
We're done here.
It is quacks like that that give healthcare a bad name.
Don't give her all the credit, Macron. We'd have had Torino already admitted if you hadn't shown up.
Yes, but at what cost, Doctor?